Today, we're going to clear all cache from Windows 10, 11, or any other computer. It's very easy, so make sure to watch the whole video. After clearing all cache from your computer, its performance will be much better, and it will load faster. Let's get started. To do this, press the Windows key and the R key together, and you will see the Run window. In this window, type prefetch. Once you type prefetch, hit OK. It will then ask for permission. Just click Continue. Select any of the files, press CT or Alt plus A to select all files, and then press Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. Why are we pressing Shift plus Delete? It's to permanently delete these junk files, or cache, from the computer. Once you select them, click Yes to confirm the deletion. After this, we'll press the Windows key and R key together again. This time, type temp and click OK. A new window will open. Now, this is a much cleaner computer, with less clutter. There's a lot of junk created by the system, but there's still some left. So, I'll select any file, press CT or Alt plus A to select all, and then press Shift plus Delete to remove them. The temp folder is used by many applications, and they leave leftover junk there, so we need to clear it out. We can safely remove and delete these files. It's absolutely safe. Select any of the files, press CT or Alt plus A to select all, and then press Shift plus Delete. Gradually, we're removing all the junk and making the computer faster. Some of the files may not get deleted, and that's perfectly fine. You can leave them as they are. Just select Do this for current items and skip them. Press the Windows key and R again, and this time type cleanber. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like and subscribe button. Now, once you've typed cleanber, hit OK. This will open up the Disk Cleanup Drive selection. By default, the C drive where the operating system is installed is selected. I'll just select that and click OK. Once we're in this window, select all the checkboxes. Make sure to check the boxes for Recycle Bin, Temporary Files, Thumbnails, Delivery Optimization Files, and Temporary Internet Files. Ensure you have checked all of them, and then hit OK. This way, you'll be able to wipe out all the junk, and your computer will be much cleaner. Press the Windows key and R again, type cleanber once more, but this time click on Clean Up System Files. Then, check all the boxes. Let me explain what is Disk Cleanup. Disk Cleanup is a built-in utility in Windows that helps users free up disk space by removing unnecessary files. Over time, computers accumulate files that are no longer needed, and these can slow down your system or fill up your hard drive. Disk Cleanup helps solve this problem by identifying and removing these files. Here's what it does. Temporary files. These are files created by programs and Windows that are only needed for a short time. Disk Cleanup deletes them to free up space. System files. It can remove old Windows system files, previous Windows installations, and old update files that are no longer required. Recycle Bin. It clears out files you've deleted but are still in the recycle bin, which takes up space until emptied. Cache Files. Disk Cleanup can clear out cache files created by browsers and other programs to speed up system operations. While useful, they accumulate over time and can be safely removed. Error Files. Windows sometimes creates log files and memory dumps when there are errors. These are useful for troubleshooting but take up unnecessary space once the issue is resolved. Using Disk Cleanup regularly can help keep your system running smoothly by clearing out needed files, improving performance, and creating more available space on your hard drive. I hope I helped you. If you have any additional questions, write in the comments and I will help you. Have a nice day and take care. Like and subscribe.